Welcome to our channel. You are watching Sargo Education. Today we will solve another mathematical problem of force. In this example, we use formula of frictional force. Our question is, when PJ was pulling a box of 20 kg over the floor, it produced a force of friction of 4.5 Newton between the box and the floor. As a result, the box achieved acceleration of 2.5 meter per second. Now, our question is, find out the applied force on the box. Now, first we draw a figure of it. Here, it is a box with mass 20 kg and PJ is pulling this box. In this situation, it creates a friction, that is small f, on floor with box, that is 4.5 Newton, and in this situation it creates a acceleration a 2.5 meter per second square. Now we can write as frictional force is small f equals to 4.5 Newton, acceleration is a equals to 2.5 meter per second square, and mass of box is m equals to 20 kg. Let total force is F. Now, frictional force can act on two types. That is, frictional force act on sometimes in linear type, and sometimes it's working on gravitational. So, in two cases, we have two formula. First formula, in this situation, when force is acting on it, then frictional force reduces the main force. That's why we write F minus small f equals to, according to Newton formula, ma. But another situation, when a box upward to downward comes to downward, then here gravitational force is acting. In this situation, gravitational force or gravitational acceleration can accelerate this box. Then in this case, we write main force plus small force, that is frictional force, equals to mg. So in gravitational case, we use this formula, and general case or linear case, we use this formula. Now we putting this value from here, that is f is unknown. We have to find out the value of f. We write ma and we transfer minus f is this side, that is goes to plus. Now here m is 20 kg, so we write here 20 into acceleration is 2.5 and small f, that is frictional force, is 4.5 Newton. Then after multiplying this, we can write this is 20 into 2.5, that is 50 Newton plus 4.5 Newton. So after summation of this, we write 54.5 Newton. So F is 54.5 Newton. That is our answer. So in this way, we can find the frictional force or of acting on linearly or gravitational. I think you are understand my video. So if you understand my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.